Hello everyone! Welcome to our video series on deploying the Bold BI application in an Ubuntu Linux environment using the Nginx server. In the last video, we saw how to set up the Ubuntu Linux environment with an Nginx server for Bold BI deployment. Please watch that video first if you have not yet. It's linked in this video's description. In this video, I will show you the steps to install Bold BI in that environment and configure SSL for a secure connection. First, I log into my Bold BI account. If you don't have an account, you can start a 30-day free trial by clicking the Try It Free button on the website. Once logged in, I am directed to my dashboard. I select Downloads in the Downloads section and Expand Linux. I copy the setup link from this page by clicking Copy Link. To download the setup file, I run this command. Once the download is complete, I extract the Bold BI package by using this command. I change the current directory to the extracted folder by using this command. Now, let's install the dashboard server by running this command. Here I am deploying the dashboard server using an IP address. Next, it will ask for confirmation to install Bold Data Hub on the server. I enter Yes, and the deployment continues. Now Bold BI is deployed. I open the browser and search for the IP address to start the dashboard server. Here you will see the dashboard server is hosted in an unsecure environment. To set up the dashboard server with a domain, I need to configure SSL for a secure connection. Before configuring it, make sure you have a registered domain and map the public IP with it. I open the Bold BI Nginx config file inside etc/nginx/sites available in the nano editor. I uncomment and comment the required lines in the file. I can then add the domain name that I have mapped to the public IP address. Since I have mapped my public IP to linuxdemo.boldbi.com, I have added it here. I also specify the SSL certificate and SSL certificate key path in the required lines, and save the changes by pressing Ctrl and X, Y, and then Enter. I test the syntax of the configuration file by using this command. If everything is correct, we should see a message that says, syntax is okay and test is successful. I reload the configuration file by using this command. Now, in the browser, I open the dashboard server with the domain name. You can see the dashboard server loads with the domain name in secure mode. To learn more about installing optional libraries and starting up the application, watch our previous video, linked in this video's description. With that, we have successfully installed and deployed the Bold BI application in Ubuntu Linux using an Nginx server. If you found this video useful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.